complicated, but it's getting done. Thanks to the man, Arona. Yeah. Almost there, almost got it. This is what a real tropical rain shower is. Not some kind of shower faucet adaptation. Is the real thing. Here we go. Don't mind my booty.
This is for all you ladies out there. It's TNA for all my female admirers. According to YouTube stats, it's around 1% of my audience. That's around 10 people, so enjoy it, ladies.
Okay. That's about it. Well, look at that. I collected a good amount of rainwater. So it's about 20 liters. It's gonna rain some more later in the week. We'll try to fill up all the jugs. About ready to take on this marine varnish and paint this wall here in the utility quarters. Let's see how this works out, man. This marine varnish is amazing, man. Look at this. I redid my desktop here. Got Tuffa here.
Bonjour.
Cleaning up my lifting keel. Really cool. Thank you, Tuffa.
Yes, I could have done that. But why, when I have guys like Tuffa who want and need jobs from us visiting here? Plus, he's much better at it. And I can enjoy this.
Okay, I gotta show you something. Check this out. I like to drink sugary drinks, but I don't like sodas too much. So what I do is I go to the little restaurant across the street and they make this stuff called pisap. Pisap is made from like a hibiscus plant. It's a red flower and it's really, really red. It looks like this. Look at that. It's awesome. They make it really sweet, so I mix it with water. It's almost like a syrup. Check out this color. Super good. And then this stuff is ginger. It's really strong. It's like, boo! This is better than buying drinks at the supermarket. This is real. This is from Senegal. It's woo! Strong. And it's made with love from the ladies here. Let's make your spunks taste good. Ooh! Ah! Cost me $3 for this thing, as well as this one, $3. This is super healthy. Both of them super healthy. Merci Senegal, de Senegal. Let's put these in the fridge. One of the things I love about coming here in Dakar is I have time to get things done on my boat. Although I do miss Wendy, I don't, because at the same time I get a lot more stuff done. So I got 2 of these prepared that I jerry-rigged, as you can see. What I had to do is adapt the screw holes here so that the head will go in, pass through, and then you can screw onto the clutch plate. But look, it's going to make use of these teeth here rather than these that are all worn out. So now I have like 2 more extra parts for this. So that's my solution to my Raymarine problem. At the same time, I won't have to spend $70 for the part, and to get it shipped here another $30. You know, we're talking about over $100 just to get this little piece of plastic. Hey, what do you think of my back wall here? It's killer, I love it, man. This is great. All right. One of the things I really dig about being here in Dakar is that you can get a lot of things done and fixed and find things that, you know, are solutions. For example, this stainless steel framework is great, but they've got these connections that are all made of plastic. So last time I was here, I went to my friend Yellow, who's the welder here, and see if he could make me some of these. And he actually found some extra plastic ones, but he didn't have enough. And then a few days ago I asked him if he had more, and look, he found some from some friend of his, charged me like $5 a piece, you know, stainless steel and solid. So I'm able to change these and fix these, as well as Diego's gonna fix the zipper of mine. Here in Senegal, it's solutions. You can count on the guys to do a great job. Well, Galopin has been stripped down to the bare minimums. Well, he's just got the Genoa because the Genoa's fine, but the mainsail, lazy bag, all that is down. Diego's gonna fix those up. Ibo to fix these cabinet doors because the laminate was coming off from all the humidity and the heat, and it kind of looked, old like this. I'm thinking to ask him what he can do with that. I mean, it's not that bad here, but maybe a good sanding and a coat of varnish. I'm gonna ask Ibo to create a solution for me. Ibo, he's the master woodworker here, making a rudder.
There's one of my cabinet doors. Look how well he's fixing it. As well, he's making a new floorboard for my dinghy. Speaking of which, here it is with these pros. This is Robert.
L'apprenti sorcier.
L'apprenti sorcier, c'est lui. It's him who fixes all these dinghies so well.
Omar has been instrumental in fixing my dinghy with Robert. Omar's cool, man. Well, I just got great news, everybody. I just got an email that my parts are coming from England, from partsforengines.com. These guys are amazing. They had a great website. They had all the things I needed for my Perkins. I've got all the parts. They gave me a great discount because I'm cool. Been working with Farouk and Matthew. They were very fair, very cool. Included free delivery because I spent a decent amount of money. It should be here like next week, early next week, and Arona's back. I can't believe it. Woo woo! Rain on me!
It seems Galopin is happy and rolling around.
Okay, after the rain. Oh man.
Calm down, boy.
Yeah. Oh wow.
Storms here can get you with an element of surprise, man.
All of a sudden got dark and black and wow! And now we're rocking and rolling for probably the rest of the afternoon and hopefully not too much into the evening. Signing out here in Dakar, Africa, Senegal. Yoo-hoo! Alright, I'm gonna go make some food.
Today happens to be a holiday here, but I have no idea. I'm an ignorant foreigner. But there's something going on at the club. All the local folks are here. I'm joining the fun.
Ah ouais, qu'est-ce qu'on va manger là?
Tout à l'heure, barbecue. La viande de mouton, accompagnement, il y a les frites gelées, sauce verte et tout. Voilà.
C'est toi qui as tout organisé ça?
On fait barbecue, magal.
Et c'est toi qui as organisé tout ça à la dernière minute?
Ouais, à la dernière minute.
Merci As.
Allez.
Update on the parts for the Perkins. They're here. They're here in Dakar, Senegal. It was sent here Friday by DHL. Got here yesterday, which was Tuesday. They were cleared from customs. And then today, there was a problem. Problem is that the customs wants me to pay 50% tax as an imported good. My boat is a foreign vessel. I'm importing parts for this foreign vessel. It's not staying in Dakar. So technically, I shouldn't have to pay an import tax. Good news is the parts are here. We're going to get them. We'll figure out how much it's going to cost us.
And who could help? You got it. This man here, Arona. He's on the phone with DHL. They're explaining to him that the billing address they received was the same as the shipping address, CVD Yacht Club, so it was considered for a local client. And that would make the tax higher. Now that Arona explained the situation, the tax would only be 38,000 CFA, about $50. But we need to go with my boat papers, passports, and visa and tourist tax receipt. And who can I get to help me get to the DHL delivery headquarters? You got it, Arona again. How many mechanics do you know that will go that distance? It's not his problem, but he's part of the solution. We had to go to the old airport. Arona negotiated a taxi about $15, round trip. Arona didn't have to go, but he did. That's dedication, client support. Oh look, they've got KFC here. Once at DHL, we showed the necessary documents, paid the import tax. A little complicated, but it's getting done. Thanks to the Arona. Yeah! Almost there, almost got it. Merci DHL.
Merci beaucoup.
Merci à tous les gens de DHL, ils ont vraiment bien travaillé, c'est vite venu ici.
Moi, j'ai confiance à DHL, c'est pour cela que je te l'ai proposé, pour que les pièces puissent venir à temps, parce que toi, ton passeport, il va terminer dans 2 mois. Voilà. Donc, si on n'avait pas pris DHL, ça pourrait durer une éternité. Et là, heureusement, on a été bien servi. Et voilà le colis et tout ça passe bien.
Wow. Il y a juste moi qui ai fait une erreur d'adresse. Heureusement, ils m'ont fait reconnaître ça, mais maintenant, les pièces qui viennent dans l'Angleterre, jusqu'ici au Sénégal, ton cher Arona attend avec impatience.
Merci d'avoir choisi de...
Non, merci à vous.
Ils ont bien occupé de notre colis.
Voilà.
C'est super. Voilà.
Merci à vous. Ça, c'est M. Baldé qui nous a aidés avec les douanes et tout ça. Then I had to pay this facilitator a few bucks. And voila. So guys, ladies and gentlemen, next time I get anything shipped by DHL, I must make sure the billing address is me on Galopin, pay the tax online, and I'll deliver the package right to the yacht club. The shipping address. Live and learn, buddy. Now, let's see if we can get this engine rebuilt.
Il y a des chemises bien sûr à l'intérieur,
Ouais.
qu'on a enlevées. Et toi, tu as commandé, ils t'ont livré des chemises intérieures en ébauche.
D'accord,
Donc, c'est-à-dire un diamètre plus petit par rapport au piston.
d'accord.
Donc, il a fallu, après, une fois emmanché, réaliser le cylindre en fonction du piston et déglacer. D'accord?
Ok,
Pour mettre le jeu
D'accord.
fonctionnel, bien sûr.
ok.
Et on a changé les pastilles qu'il m'avait amenées, hein, bien sûr. Hein. Ça, c'est les anciennes.
Maintenant,
Là, il n'y a pas de problème.
Alors maintenant, les pistons, ils rentrent sans problème.
Avec des segments neufs, j'espère bien.
Qu'est-ce
Des
que tu
segments neufs.
Non, ils sont venus avec les...
Bien sûr, on a tout neuf.
Et la pochette de jeu complet. Il me
Voilà.
reste que ça.
En tout cas, nous, on a tout fait nickel, proprement.
Ben, super, merci
Sur de la
beaucoup.
machine italienne. Voilà.
Hello, welcome to Galopin. These are our studios, man. This is where the magic happens. It's humble, but it gets the job done. It's because of the great people like you on Patreon who make this happen. This Living Adventure series. I hope you'll join our community. We've got some extra perks like live updates, news, photos, videos, and I've even taken a stab at writing some short stories which are not for general audiences on YouTube. And our friend Graham from Australia set up a WhatsApp chat to aptly called Galopin's Cockpit. Guys from all over have joined, and it's this community that's contributing to the continuation of this Living Adventure series. If not, you can always watch us for free on YouTube. Make sure to give us a like or a dislike, make a comment, make your opinion heard. I'll try to get back to you. Thanks for watching this episode of Voyage, a real Living Adventure series. It's not fake, baby.